Hello everyone, today we're working with our hips, open hip and middle split. So let's start with me. We'll get working with right leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's change leg. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's work with two legs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And still sit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take two legs together. And slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like and subscribe and take me likes and going to watch my another video. So bye bye.